In this video, I will compare some words from Katuilu and Finno-Permic languages, part of Nostratic macrofamily, and we will see if there are some connections between these language families. We will compare vocabulary and grammar. Mina, ma, mia, mie, me, mi, ma, man, sina, sa, sia, sie, shen, si, sin, sen, korva, kora, kora, uri, uri, oji, mato, mado, matu, madu, matli, mit, mundur, matu, juri, jur, juri, dziri, jiri, jinji, jiji, kiwi, kev, kiv, ku, kva, kua, kuan, kvai, selu, selu, silue, suli, shuli, shuri, kori, kori, kuri, kor, kerki, kakara, kekar, kal, kaula, kail, eli, ali, lapsi, laps, lapshi, lapsh, glapi, tulema, tula, tulsma, moswa, mula, moula, istuma, istva, istma, shtoma, shdoma, wihma, twihma, trima, trima, trema, trima, nak, naka, naka, kani, ken, kin, vin, mia, mi, mis, mu, mai, tai, tei, teli, ili, ushka, uiska, ushka, urshuna, vili, vilio, vila, khili, lehti, terhi, rehto, potoli, joma, juma, juma, sma, shuma, soma, suma, choma, chama, komua, todma, tidma, tiadma, sodna, nusko, noska, knoswa, umar, umarguna, imor, urguali, urguali, te, tik, tio, teie, teg, quen, kuen, qua, han, tama, hian, ta, is, hia, ina, tina, he, ne, namat, hen, isini, hini, hinep, inep, tib, tirb, tibos, rta, wor, gora, matshi, ha, uten, uten, ansa, Stan, ia, I, ta, da, do, I, sa, sh, sha, sha, shi, s, tama, tuo, se, tena, tina, es, enem, manam, talo, sahli, talosa, sahshi, sahsa. These words are taken from a Swedish list of Finno-Permic languages. You can see link in the comments and in the description of a video.